Let's talk holiday skincare gift sets, coming to you from a different backdrop than you usually see on my YouTube channel. This is like giving QVC or maybe an episode of The Hoarders, because I have been collecting these gift sets over the last month to give out as gifts to friends and family and to restock some of my own skincare favorites. And I want to show you what the best ones are that you can get before these sell out. These are from the best brands that are loaded with their best sellers that I approve of and at a great savings when they are bundled together. I'm going to go through these one by one. I will link all of these below so that you can shop these before they sell out. And if you're new here, I'm Dr. Maren Locke. I am the budget dermatologist. I help you fix your skin without breaking the bank. Make sure you're subscribed and come say hi on Instagram at the budget dermatologist. Let's start with my number one pick for an anti-aging gift set. It's this one by Aven. It is the Skin Barrier Loving Pro Aging Routine. This kit comes with two full-size must-haves. This whole value is $107, but bundled together it's $85, I think. It comes with Retinoid 0.1 Intensive, your number one anti-aging product for fine lines and wrinkles. It comes with a full size of their Cyclofate, which is the best, most gentle product to rebuild your skin barrier. I even love this post-procedure or when you have inflamed or irritated skin. This is amazing. And then it comes with two samples of the other two amazing products from the Retinoid line, Retinoid Eyes and the Retinoid Advanced Correcting Serum. So really you can think of this like a whole anti-aging routine in a box. You will use, because it also has a cleanser. Okay, a gentle cleanser. So you'll use a gentle cleanser. You can use the correcting serum. This is bakuchiol. It's very gentle in the morning for anti-aging. You'll use this at night, the number one product of mine for nighttime. And then the Cyclofate to repair your skin. Lest we not forget the Retinoid for eyes. So it's a whole routine and it comes with this bag and packaged nicely in this box. This makes a great gift. I'm gonna link this below. Now, if you want a premium anti-aging gift kit without retinoids in it, go for this one by 3 Ships, the Bio-Retinol Dream Kit, and it comes in the cutest little box display. I gotta keep this nice because I'm giving this as a gift, but it comes with 3 products. The most important being the Skin Hero Bakuchiol, which is a retinoid alternative to give you the same anti-aging benefits as a retinoid, but with way less irritation. I see you can double down on your anti-aging and use this in the morning, use a retinoid at night if you wish. And then it comes with this amazing retinoid-free Retinoid-Alternative night cream that comes in an awesome pump top and is so hydrating to the skin, and a Purify Cleanser, amino acid cleanser, which is great, gentle cleanser. It's just so nice. It comes in this great presentation, so it makes a wonderful gift. I'm going to link this one below, and there's one more from 3 Ships that I love, their Discovery Kit. This is only $18. It's a no-brainer because then you can try some of their best sellers before you buy the whole thing. So it has, again, the Purify amino acid cleanser, and it has the Superfruit cleanser / mask that has the most fine texture in it. So it's a physical exfoliant, but it is very gentle on the skin because that texture is so fine. So I love that one. Then it has a nice day cream for radiant glowing skin. And one of my favorite 3 Ships products is the Dew Drops, which is like a hyaluronic acid serum, but it's like a natural version of that. It is like, it's almost like snail mucin texture. It's so interesting, but it is so hydrating and just your skin just sucks it up and it's just glowy. So $18, you can try out some of my favorites in this kit here. I'll link both of these below. Next, let's talk about cleansing gift sets. There are 2 that I love, both from the brand Dermatologist, which is kind of this more luxe skincare brand, but this comes with a set of travel size 3 different cleansers. They're viral holy grail products that they sell that I love. They're called their microfoliant cleansers, and it's basically just powder. It's like rice powder. It has salicylic acid and some other ingredients in it. You just pour the powder in your hand, add some water to make this paste, and then apply it to your skin for a very gentle skin polish and exfoliation. I love this concept because you can add as little or as much of the powder as you want to create the texture that you need for your skin. So this little trial size has an oat-based one, the daily regular one, and then one with charcoal in it. I actually love this too for like men's skincare, to slip this into their stocking and kind of give a hint there because it's like very approachable for men, I think. So I love this one. I'm gonna link this one below. And this 3-step cleansing routine, starting with their pre-cleanse, which is an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup and waterproof sunscreen, then a full size of the microfoliant, that powder, rice powder based cleanser, and then a nice special gentle cleanser. So I'm going to link this gift set below too. Now Tula has a ton of gift sets, but there's really only one that I got this year, and it's this trio of eye balms. It's 45% off for all three of these. I am obsessed with these. I talk about these on my channel all the time. I have one in my purse, my travel makeup bag, my makeup stock, just always have these around, and you can put these on over makeup, under makeup, on the go. It brightens your under eyes. It can give nice antioxidant protection, even anti-aging benefits. So these three together, 45% off. I'm linking this kit below. Now, Paula's Choice always has some of the best holiday kits of the year. They just tend to bundle their best products together, and they're 25% off in that kit, whereas the website usually is only 20% off, so the kits are a much better deal. My favorite one this year is this kit here. It is literally an entire anti-aging routine in a box. So how you will use it is this gentle cleanser first, then the vitamin C in the morning. This is a great one. It actually has 15% L-ascorbic acid in it. Then at night, you will use the retinol product. As you may know, retinol is one of the top ingredients you can use for anti-aging. And then a couple times a week, you can rotate in these two products to brighten and smooth your skin texture. So this is the viral holy grail from Paula's Choice. The BHA liquid exfoliant has 2% salicylic acid in it and azelaic acid. So I like to even use this a few times a week in the morning. You can alternate days with the vitamin C and the azelaic acid to break up your routine that way, but it is an entire routine just with these products, 25% off. I'm linking this one below. And there was one other gift set I saw on the website that I thought was a really cool idea. We'll link that below too. It has, I think, 4 different strength retinols that the brand offers, like trial sizes of each of those. So you can start low and build up to one of the stronger ones, or just kind of check the different ones out before you commit to a full-size product of any of those. So I'm linking that below too. Now let's talk about sunscreen gift sets, starting with one of my favorite new sunscreen brands, Naked Sundays. So this is a really cute little gift set I got from their website that is the SPF 50 Sheer Glow Balms. So the way, these are 3 different shades. The way you will use these is makeup, or not makeup, but at least full sunscreen. And then you can use these balms on your cheeks, eyelids, around the face, that area to glow, have a nice little highlight, but also give you extra SPF protection. 3 different shades. I will link this one below. And check out this discounted bundle by Naked Sundays. They do SPF lip care really well because we always are neglecting our lips, but these are SPF 50, 4 different shades here. These are amazing to just put on top of your lipstick for the day to give you extra glow and SPF protection. So keep these with you on the go, put these on often and reapply throughout the day to get your lips protected from the sun as well. I'm linking this below for their savings. And if you haven't checked out the other actual sunscreen products from Naked Sundays, now's the time to do it because they're amazing. This is their 100% mineral tinted collagen glow. It's one of my favorite new sunscreens of the year. I'll link a couple of my other favorite picks from them below too. We can't talk about sunscreens without mentioning Supergoop, an amazing sunscreen brand that has 2 awesome gift sets that are great for gifts, stocking stuffers, or just to restock your own sunscreen stockpile. The everyday favorites and the all mineral set. I love their mineral sunscreen. So these are great for travel and on the go, or just to check out a whole bunch of different sunscreens to see which feels right for your skin. These are awesome. I'm linking these in the description. Here is a peptide skincare set that I found at Sephora with 3 ordinary products in it. So it contains the peptide for your lashes and brows that is safe to use. I actually started using that just recently. And it contains 2 peptide products, a multi-peptide serum for your face, and a multi-peptide eye serum, all bundled in this cute little gift. I got this at Sephora, so I'll link that below. Now, speaking of Sephora, it's not related to skincare, but these Charlotte Tilbury gift sets I got as well while I was there. The Pillow Talk gift set and this nice highlighter contour duo. I have some of these products, I think a lot of these products on right now. I love Charlotte Tilbury. These are cute little holiday gift kits. I'm gonna link these below too. And the other thing I actually did find at Sephora was this by Drunk Elephant, this cute little skincare gift set with vitamin C, their kind of CE ferulic dupe product, and a hydrating serum. So cute. So I got this too. I will link it below. Here are 3 gift sets from Ilia, one of my favorite clean makeup brands that also makes a nice sunscreen product that I have been using a long time that I love. Starting with my favorite gift set from them this year. I have to keep this nice. I'm actually giving this to my sister as a gift. So here it is. It contains the Super Serum Skin Tint. This is amazing for makeup plus SPF coverage. It's SPF 40, all mineral. It also has niacinamide in it. such great coverage, and it comes in 30 shades, so most everybody can find a good shade match. And okay, I'm messing this up. A mascara, which is one of my favorite mascaras ever from Ilia. They actually have 2 types of mascara. This is one of them. This really separates the lashes out very well. Has 2 like ends to the wand, and then this multi-stick for your cheeks, lips, comes in a few different shades, and a little brush to foundation brush to kind of smooth everything over. This is amazing savings. I will link this one below. And 2 other cute little kits from Ilia, starting with this little minis for any mood, mini sizes of some of their best makeup products, mini mascara, a multi-stick, a nice shimmer for the eyelids, and a lip wrap. So really cute. I'll link that one. This one, 3 multi-sticks. It comes in these different shades. So nice for on the go and can help transition your makeup colors kind of from spring to fall to winter. Lots of little options there. So I'm linking both of these below. All right, so these are my top pick skincare gift sets this year. I think I'm done buying gift sets for now. Unless you have seen any that you think I would love as well, comment below and I will check those out too. Make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss any videos coming up. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.